Paint the Public Art channel. Anytime you hear Paint the Public, just respond, let paint. So I come your way with yet another edition of PEP. All that we do is to bring you art news, art event, and then we bring you artist spotlight. So today our spotlight will be in Western region. On an amazing artist doing well in Ghana and out of Ghana. So let's go. Yeah, welcome back. Today our spotlight will be on Patrick Tego Texan, a renowned contemporary artist in the Western region. He is a lecturer at Tekwale Technical University. He has been doing amazing things with recycling floppy flop materials. So today I want to talk about him and the event that is involved. Is one of his events will end today in UK, which I will be bringing you a short clip about it. And then he's also having another exhibition, Cape Town Art Fair, which is also ongoing in South Africa. So I'll show you images of all these, and then we say congratulations to him, and then we talk more about him. Let's. So this is solo exhibition by Patrick Tego Texan, entitled "Is Everything Okay?" At Brook Project in UK. So that is the private view of the exhibition. People trying to go in and out of the wonderful works by Patrick Tego Texan. This Paint the Public. Anytime you hear Paint the Public, just respond. Let's paint.